I'm an interior designer for a commercial office furniture dealer.
And I own a junk removal company in the area.
We've been married for 3 years. We live in an apartment with 3 cats, 2 black cats and a tortie. They are our children.
The apartment lease is almost up. So we've been looking at houses online.
It's been a good 2 years of me convincing Dane to finally move out of the apartment and look for a house. It's tough living in 700 square feet. We've basically outgrown it. The houses that are gonna be in our budget are going to need work. You know our budget's pretty low.
You're looking for what, 250?
Yeah.
The house at least has to be moving ready. Like, I don't want to deal with a construction zone immediately. Like, no ripping out walls, no taking out appliances yet. Like, that's just too much. I don't like change, you do, so.
Yeah, I would definitely want to have a project. Putting your own mark on things, it's important to me.
You're crazy. I really need a nice garage. I have my own business, I need that space.
You guys have discussed this garage already?
If you're gonna make me move out and I have to get out of the apartment.
Make you move
We're gonna
out.
get a garage.
We're looking for a house, not a detached garage that comes with a house, a house. His brilliant idea, he wants to build a cat tube to connect.
From the house to the garage?
You already look excited, I didn't even finish talking. From the
You
house.
can't tell me that wouldn't be exciting to look out
How
your
cool would
bedroom
that be?
window every day and see a cat tube.
Do you know how much value a cat tube would add to a home?
I'm gonna say 0.
Is this the driveway?
Yeah, it's right off the
jeez.
highway.
There's no front porch.
Not much of a craftsman style either. We are right off the highway. I can literally see the highway.
I can
from-
hear the highway.
From the front yard. This is a huge, huge living room.
Yeah.
Right?
What is this thing?
I don't know. It's like this weird step down. Look at this. An enclosed private entrance.
I think this like used to be a porch, and they decided that they didn't want it to be a porch, and they just got rid of it.
Well, I mean, it definitely made the space bigger.
Yeah, but you got rid of the whole thing about, you know, the colonial feature. It's not really a colonial anymore.
White carpet everywhere.
Yeah, dirty white carpet.
Dane's infatuated with carpet in a house. I hate carpet. Hardwood floors is the way to go. I think I'd be scared to walk on this carpet barefoot. It definitely needs to be cleaned. Oh, wow. This kitchen is massive. I was not expecting it looking at the front of the house.
How old is this house?
100 years old.
Yeah, you can tell. Did you notice this dip? That's like probably structural issues, and that means money.
The beauty of a 100-year-old house,
Is what?
it's not going anywhere. You have a full bathroom right here. I know that the location's not ideal. However, you have a
let
full
me make
bathroom.
dinner, eat dinner, and then go to the bathroom. It's right there.
Yeah.
It's pretty gross.
I will admit this is a little scary walking into, but these are things that can be,
No.
you know, fixed.
No.
Maybe
You don't buy a house to fix it, you buy a house to live in it.
you don't buy a house to fix it.
Yeah.
I want to be able to fix things.
Oh, jeez.
Look at the light in here.
I love this little nook right here.
Right?
This is amazing.
I feel like I'm on a slant here.
It's got character. You know, a little creek here.
Go ahead, jump. You can jump then.
Oh, I'm not jumping.
That's what I thought.
But if you don't fall through, the light is fabulous.
One side's sinking, one side's not. I feel like the house is falling apart.
Look at this.
Wow, this is actually pretty nice. The height of this room is definitely good. Yeah, you like these pink bathroom appliances here? Ew. I feel like I would get dirtier in here than cleaner. I like this. You can put your magazines up here or your towels.
I can't even reach that. That is probably the dumbest thing I've ever seen in the
Put a
bathroom.
step stool. You get out and you get your towel. What's not functional about that?
Absolutely everything. I mean, other than that, I think the space is great. We can change out the vanity.
No, I don't want to replace anything.
Are you guys ready for the surprise? The pièce de résistance?
Absolutely.
Okay,
let's take a
let's
peek.
go.
Watch your head.
Look at this. It's humongous.
Whoa.
This is definitely a big deck. This has got to be a second-story cat tube. It's got to go from here to the garage. The deck's in the way.
You've lost your mind. Cat tube is probably the last thing on my list. It's an absolutely ridiculous idea. I'd rather redo a kitchen or a bathroom before I spend $1 on a tube.
You were looking for a garage. Ta-da! You can fit your trucks in here.
The space is great, but it's
Wow.
kind of falling apart.
It comes with its own men's room.
I don't even want to go in there.
We
It's,
can just close this up.
yeah.
That's pretty gross.
Find me something like this already fixed up, and you got it.
Find me double the budget, and I'll find it.
Where does this place listed at?
I think she said 225. So it's well under budget.
Yeah, it works.
We're right across the street from the beach, so we're looking at a lot of beach bungalows. You're just not gonna find a colonial in this price range, and you're not gonna find a craftsman in this price range. Did you see how close we are to the water?
It's right there.
Is that amazing? Look,
That
there's
is-
a dune. The beach is right there.
Absolutely incredible.
Could be something we can enjoy.
Look at all the natural light in here, Mac.
Yeah, this is really nice. They redid everything in here.
I do like the fireplace.
And look at these windows.
The
They're
cats would like
so
these.
Big. I think Dana's really liking this house, which is great for the two of us. I really want to get out of that apartment. This could be our shot.
It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, approximately 1,000 square foot house.
Okay. It's a good
So-
size. I am a little concerned. I hear us walking, and I feel like the floor is very hollow.
I think this house definitely needs carpeting. Plus, it would be really nice on my feet.
So let's go look at the kitchen.
Wow.
It's cute, but this is really tiny. This is pretty much the same size we have at the apartment right now. But I mean, the finishes are really nice.
This would kind of be a great office.
I feel like I'm kind of tilting this way. But I mean, it's an old house, right? It's
This is what we've come to realize is that a lot of houses in our budget are very old. Old, you know, character and charm. There's a little bit of a slant here or there.
Here is another bedroom.
Off of the kitchen.
Yes, you could close that up, and this could be your access as a master.
It's a little small for the master. What is going on with this ceiling? It's literally acoustic tile.
I think it looks great.
You're such a liar. Stop it. You did say there was 3 bedrooms, so.
Yes, exactly. We'll continue in through here. This one is a bit smaller than the blue one, so I don't think I would make this my master necessarily.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to fit our mattress in here. I like the tall ceilings. Once again, the ceiling has got to go, though.
To replace the ceiling, that's a lot of work.
No, it's not. We don't have to do the work. Being under budget, we can hire someone to do it.
No, I know, but that means we're gonna live in a construction zone. And
It's 1 bedroom, there's 3. We can stay in the other ones.
I feel like I'm lost already. It's kind of a weird layout.
Right. Again, it's a 1-bathroom, 3-bedroom.
Oh, the bathroom has a closet too? What is going on?
Another door.
This is a house of doors.
Every door you open opens another door. It's just very confusing layout.
Oh, it's a laundry
The good
room.
news is you have a
Okay.
great mudroom, laundry room. Coming back in here.
Oh, we're back where we started.
Yeah.
This is like a maze.
Exactly. So, do you want to go see the garage?
Duh.
Yeah, let's
Look at this yard. It's ginormous,
Wow, this is great. This is probably one of the bigger backyards we've seen.
right?
There's room in the budget. We can move that bathroom.
You know what there's room in the budget for? A cat tube.
What?
Yeah. I think we could probably put it from this window, wrap it around to that window, right into the garage.
Can we
I
just
wanna
see
be
this
your
garage?
cat. Ta-da!
Oh, no. Ew. I hate these. When you pull in, how do you open your door? I have that in the apartment now, and it's the worst.
You have to be a little bit more optimistic.
I really wish
Really,
it was
I
a
think-
little
I think
bigger.
You did really good with this garage.
Thank you.
The house is nice. I mean, no doubt about it. It's a strange looking
It's
house.
a very weird layout, but I
But-
think it complements our
All you need is
personality.
to take some doors out. That's
Some
all.
doors, like all the
Yeah.
doors.
What do you think, guys? Is this a contender?
This has got cat tube potential.
No, but you have a little bit of a front porch. It's not an enclosed porch or anything.
What did you say this was listed at?
I think it's like $254.
It's a little above budget.
She said that it was like fully renovated though. So let's
Might be worth it.
Hello.
Hi!
Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. Why don't you look around and I'll be with you in like just a couple minutes.
Okay.
Sounds great.
good?
This is adorable. I love how quaint and comforting it is.
It doesn't really have the carpet.
This is vinyl tile.
So
I really
it's-
don't like the vinyl.
We can always replace it for carpet.
You know, for once, I actually agree with you.
I mean, everything's finished.
This is beautiful. Look at these cabinets. This is a massive kitchen. I was not expecting this.
You like this backsplash?
How are you? This is adorable.
This is a ranch. I know that wasn't the top of
Yeah.
what you're looking for.
I love the ranch. I'm a little disappointed with the floors.
You are?
I was expecting some hardwood. I don't know. I was looking at the pictures.
Right.
Didn't realize
right.
it was
looked
vinyl.
like hardwood from the, yeah.
I mean, it's level. I'm not tilted. This is no work. I mean,
This is the Dane special.
that's pretty good.
So here's one of the bedrooms.
How many bedrooms does this house have?
3. Can
Really?
you believe? 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
This would be a great home office.
It does look nice.
Great space to eat,
Is this the only dining space in the home?
pretty much. You could always open this up and
Take
this could
down this
become
wall.
like, yes, and that could become your
That's-
dining. I knew
that
Dane
doesn't-
would love
yeah,
that.
that's not really
I mean, that's a great idea.
top of the
Imagine
budget and knock a wall down.
You did.
No.
It's one wall. It's one wall.
So here's the second bedroom.
This is a very good size.
And then here's the common bathroom. It was all redone as well.
I don't love this sink. There's no way that we could fit a double vanity in here.
That's true. Is
This isn't the master.
The master has its own bathroom.
Yes, it's small, but yes, it has its own bathroom.
Okay.
So you don't
Okay.
need 2 sinks in one bathroom because
then we each
you
have
can
our own
give Dane
bathroom.
one of the bathrooms.
That's even better.
I'll have my
Yes.
own bathroom.
So this is the master. Look at all the sunlight.
I like this.
Isn't this awesome?
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, this is really pretty. Does this lead to the backyard?
That is the backyard.
You're joking
This-
though. This is not a backyard.
Right beyond that fence, you can go hiking and biking.
Kimberly, that's the
Road
highway.
thing.
It's not really a backyard. It's small. I don't even think you can get to it from the outside of the house. You might have to go through the window.
So here are the closets,
Okay. Regular size closet.
and here's the master bath.
Oh, this is cute. Look at this shower. Look at this door.
So it's not big, but it sure is nice to have this right off the master.
It's finished beautifully, but
Right.
it's really small. I feel a little claustrophobic right now. Nice
Well,
finishes,
it's better
but
than not
it's-
having a master bathroom.
I guess that's true.
Let me show you the garage.
I've been waiting for this one.
So here's your driveway. Look how much space we have. And look, one of these is higher than the other, one of the bays.
You could probably fit your truck in here.
It'd be tight. I mean, it's hardly a detached garage. There's definitely not room for a cat tube.
Stupid cat tube. We gotta let that idea go.
I'm not
That's
giving that
absolutely ridiculous.
one. No way.
This cat tube thing is a little left of center, but all I know is when I come back in my next life, I want to be their cat.
Oh,
Ta-da!
wow, this is big.
Yeah, there's a lot of space. It's not falling apart. It's not bad. I can see us in any one of these homes.
Yeah, I don't think anyone ever told me how difficult it would be buying our first home.
Do you have any idea which one you're leaning toward?
That 2-story colonial.
Yeah, we
that
looked at yellow house that we looked at.
It's carpeting.
It has ugly
Yeah.
white carpet. I really wanted something that we could fix up together. It was okay. It had a lot of work that needed to be done.
I was so excited to show you that garage.
And you let me down. It's filthy. There's a mess. There's electrical wires everywhere. It needs a lot of work inside.
It was
That
a
is
little
big
scary. I think there were critters living in there.
Plus, it is at the top of our budget.
So, the beach house. Tell me your thoughts.
Love the location.
Okay.
It was a little weird the way the room just kind of went in a circle of doors.
Yeah, the house of doors.
Kitchen was small.
Yeah, it was on the smaller side. I mean, he really likes the idea of his cat tube.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
ideal for that. 2-car garage right on the water.
Who would have ever thought that in our budget we could find something right in front of the beach? I mean, that's unheard of. We also really liked the house that was,
0 renovations.
yes.
The ranch.
The garage was good. The problem is there's no space for a cat tube. That garage is way too close to make anything happen. There really was no backyard.
Our balcony is literally bigger than that backyard.
But it's a little over budget.
That thought kind of scares me a little bit.
We're gonna have to make a decision soon, and we only have a few weeks left until we have to let the apartment complex know if we're gonna stay or leave.
So I really just want to get rid of this door right here, extend the kitchen all the way this way. We don't have to do it right away. Little by little.
Yeah. I was looking for a colonial, and I think I found one.
We put an offer on the house about a month and a half ago. We closed about a week ago.
And last night was the first night in the house.
Good girl. I will admit it, they do love this carpet. She's gonna tear it apart. The house was originally listed at $249,900. After negotiations, we ended up closing at $256,000, $6,000 over asking. Let's see what you've drawn up here.
Well, that's the house.
Okay.
Tube from the house to the garage. There's our cats.
I think the only way this cat tube is gonna happen is if I get my kitchen first, and maybe both bathrooms.
That wasn't a no.